This is our second steps lesson working on solving classroom problems. In this lesson, the characters are Lupita on the left-hand side, Cody on the right-hand side, and Mr. Singh is in the back. Lupita just called Cody a pest and told him to stop bugging her on purpose all the time. Focus your attention on Cody. How do you think he's feeling? Pause the video if you need time to take a look. Cody is hurt and offended. He calls Lupita a snoop and tells her to mind her own business. No one is learning at this point or getting along. When you can't get along with your seat neighbor, it's a problem. The teacher, Mr. Singh, notices the problem and goes over to help them. Pretend you're the teacher. What would you suggest they do to calm down? Pause the video if you need more time. Both students use their stop signals and name their feelings. Lupita says she feels fed up. Cody says he feels offended. They use their belly breathing to calm down, and now they're ready to solve their problem. Mr. Singh helps Cody and Lupita use their problem-solving steps. Look at the first step. It says, say the problem. Mr. Singh asks them to think about the problem from their own perspectives by saying what they want or need. This makes it easier to not blame the other person. Cody says that he prefers to move around and spread out when he works. Lupita says she prefers to work in a quiet, tidy space with no distractions. The problem is these students have different work habits. The next step is T. Think of solutions. Pause the video and think about what Lupita and Cody can do to solve the problem. The next step is E. E is explore the consequences. Think about what would happen if. Pause the video if you need more time. The last step is P. Pick the best solution. What solution do you think Lupita and Cody will pick? Pause the video if you need more think time. Cody and Lupita decide to have empathy for each other. They'll accept each other's differences and respect each other's space. Mr. Singh agrees that having empathy will help them get along, but suggests they also think of ways to handle their different work habits when they get distracted. Think of 3 things Lupita or Cody could do next time they are distracted by each other's different work habits. Pause the video if you need more time. Some possible solutions for next time could be use self-talk to focus and ignore distractions. They could be assertive and ask each other to be quiet, or move to another spot to work quietly. Your work for today is Lesson 19, Solving Classroom Problem Worksheet, but you're going to practice solving problems at home with a family member. Your job is to think about a common problem in your house and try to solve it with a family member. You each write down the problem from your point of view or perspective in the profile below, and then check it for blaming words. Write one problem statement without blame. Use your steps to find the solution together and make a plan to put your solution into action. Then, don't forget to put your name at the bottom of the paper with the date and the name of the person who helped you with this assignment where it says adult signature. Then just take a picture of it, send it to me to turn in, or return it with your packet in the bin in front of the school. Thank you and have a wonderful day.